channel. So today I bought something new for you guys. That is Valentine's Day gift ideas or Teddy Day gift ideas. So let's get started with the video. So here is the first idea. You'll need A4 size colored sheet and fold it as I am folding. Now paste all folded corners as shown. Now here I am using 4 paper straws. You can use these kind of bamboo sticks too if you don't have paper straws. Now here with the help of hot glue gun I am sticking it into the box. Just make sure your straw is little slanted. Stick all the straws at the corners. Now here I am sticking heart-shaped sticker. Here I have used the tissue paper and I am filling it in the box. Now in this box you can put whatever you want to give. Here I am putting a teddy bear and some chocolates. And now lastly, balloon on the top. So here is the second idea. Here you'll need two heart-shaped cutouts. I have cutted it on a golden chart paper and a strip of golden chart paper also. These are the measurement. I'm sorry for the lighting change. My light was giving me trouble that day. And now fold the line as shown. Now cut the paper as shown. Now just like that, make another one for the leg too. Now stick the papers as shown. Here I am using hot glue gun. You can use normal white glue also. Make the lid similarly. Now here you will need transparent sheet. Here again I am using hot glue gun. You can use normal glue or double-sided tape. Make sure while sticking this you leave a little part so that you can put some sparkle through it. Now cut the excess sheet off. Now here I have spaced boundary of a heart shape. Now again I am filling it with the tissue paper. Here I have kept a little teddy bear. You can put whatever you want to give to somebody. Now here comes the chocolate. putting some flowers. There we go, it is completed. I hope you like this video. If you do so, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye and take care.